Convert multiple PDF files to Word files. We'll do this automation through macro. Let's go to our folder. So here we have source PDF folder where we have our PDF files. Let's open one page, and here we have our output folder after conversion into Word file. Now remove all the final converted file. Open the macro. Here we need two things: source folder path and output folder path where our converted file will be saved. First take the source folder path. So to get the folder path, shift and right click, copy as path, paste in the cell C3. Again go to the folder path to get the output folder where we save our converted file. Shift right click to get the path, copy, paste in the cell C4. Now run the macro. Completed successfully. Okay, now check in our output folder. So if pages are file converted into Word file. Let's open here file, and now go to our one.